When people think about becoming a skilled driver, they often assume it's all about speed, confidence, or years of experience. But the truth is, real driving skill comes down to mastering small techniques that most drivers completely overlook. Studies from road safety organizations show that over 70% of accidents are caused by poor driving habits, not lack of experience. That means even experienced drivers are often doing things wrong without realizing it. In today's video, we are going to break down 10 driving techniques that separate average drivers from truly skilled ones. And once you start applying these, you will immediately notice better control, smoother driving, and increased safety. Let's get started with one of the easiest techniques. Tip number 1. Mastering smooth acceleration and braking. One of the biggest signs of a skilled driver is how smoothly they control the car. Most drivers accelerate too aggressively and brake too suddenly, which not only makes the ride uncomfortable, but also puts unnecessary stress on the engine, transmission, and brake system. Studies suggest that aggressive acceleration and harsh braking can increase fuel consumption by up to 30%. Skilled drivers apply throttle gradually, allowing the engine to build power smoothly rather than forcing it, which reduces mechanical stress and improves efficiency. When it comes to braking, instead of reacting at the last second, they anticipate stops and apply steady pressure, which keeps the car balanced and stable. This technique becomes even more critical in wet or slippery conditions where sudden inputs can cause loss of traction. Over time, smooth driving reduces maintenance costs and enhances passenger comfort, making every ride feel premium. If your car feels calm, controlled, and predictable, you're already driving at a higher level than most people on the road. Tip number 2. Reading the road ahead. Most drivers focus only on the vehicle directly in front of them, but skilled drivers scan the road 12 to 15 seconds ahead, which give them a massive advantage in reaction time. Research shows that drivers who look further ahead reduce sudden braking incidents by nearly 40%, which directly lowers accident risk. By observing traffic flow in the distance, you can identify patterns like slowing vehicles, merging traffic, or upcoming obstacles long before they become immediate threats. This allows you to adjust speed smoothly instead of making abrupt, risky moves. Skilled drivers also pay attention to subtle cues such as brake lights several cars ahead, pedestrians near crossings, or vehicles preparing to turn. This level of awareness transforms driving from reactive to predictive. Instead of constantly responding to surprises, you stay one step ahead, which is exactly what separates professionals from everyday drivers. Tip number 3. Proper steering technique. Steering may seem simple, but improper hand positioning is one of the most overlooked driving mistakes. Data from driving safety studies indicates that poor steering control contributes to a significant portion of loss of control accidents, especially during emergency maneuvers. Skilled drivers use controlled hand movements, like the push-pull technique, which keeps both hands engaged and maintains balance on the steering wheel. This method allows for smoother turns, better precision, and improved stability at higher speeds. It also prevents oversteering, which can be dangerous in sudden lane changes or obstacle avoidance situations. Proper steering reduces driver fatigue on long journeys because your hands remain in a natural, controlled position. The result is a car that responds exactly how you intend, giving you confidence in tight corners, heavy traffic, or high-speed driving conditions. Tip number 4. Follow 3-second rule. Tailgating is one of the most common yet dangerous habits on the road, and studies show it plays a role in nearly 30% of rear-end collisions. Skilled drivers always maintain a safe following distance using the 3-second rule, or more depending on speed and weather. This technique gives you enough time to react if the vehicle ahead suddenly brakes. At highway speeds, this buffer can literally be the difference between a safe stop and a serious accident. It also reduces stress because you are not constantly reacting to sudden changes. In wet or slippery conditions, skilled drivers increase this gap even further because stopping distance can double. Keeping proper distance is not a sign of being slow. It is a sign of being in control. Tip number 5. Control speed, according to conditions. A skilled driver understands that speed limits are designed for ideal conditions, not real-world scenarios. Research shows that nearly 20% of accidents are weather-related, often because drivers fail to adjust their speed accordingly. Driving at the posted limit during heavy rain, fog, or poor road conditions can significantly increase the risk of losing control. Skilled drivers constantly adapt their speed based on visibility, road surface, traffic density, and even tire condition. Slowing down before entering a curve improves grip and reduces the chance of skidding, while controlled acceleration on slippery surfaces prevents wheel spin. This awareness ensures that the car remains stable and responsive at all times. True driving skill is not measured by how fast you go. It is measured by how well you manage speed in changing conditions. The smartest drivers know that sometimes slowing down is the fastest way to stay safe. Tip number 6. Using mirrors and blind spot awareness properly. Most drivers check their mirrors occasionally, but skilled drivers treat mirrors as a constant source of information. Safety experts recommend checking mirrors every 5 to 8 seconds, especially in busy traffic, to maintain full situational awareness. However, mirrors alone are not enough. Blind spots are responsible for thousands of accidents every year, particularly during lane changes. Skilled drivers always perform a quick shoulder check before switching lanes, ensuring no vehicle is hidden out of view. This simple habit dramatically reduces the risk of side collisions. Proper mirror adjustment also plays a key role, as it minimizes blind spots and expands your field of vision. By staying aware of what's happening behind and beside you, you make smarter, safer decisions. Driving is not just about what's in front, it's about understanding your entire environment. Tip number 7. Throttle control in corners. One of the most overlooked techniques among everyday drivers is how they use the accelerator while turning. Statistics from performance driving schools show that improper throttle input during cornering is a major contributor to loss of control incidents, especially at moderate to high speeds. Skilled drivers understand that entering a corner too fast and then braking mid-turn can destabilize the car, shifting weight unpredictably and reducing tire grip. Instead, they slow down before the turn, maintain a steady throttle through the curve, and then gradually accelerate as they exit. This keeps the vehicle balanced and ensures maximum traction on all 4 tires. Even at city speeds, this technique improves control and reduces stress on suspension components. Over time, mastering throttle control in corners makes your driving feel smoother, more precise, and significantly safer in both dry and wet conditions. Tip number 8. Mastering parking techniques. Parking might seem like a basic skill, but it is actually one of the best indicators of overall driving ability. Data shows that a large number of minor accidents occur during parking due to poor spatial awareness and lack of control. Like skilled drivers, you should always approach parking with patience and precision, using mirrors, reference points, and slow, controlled movements. And avoid rushing, which reduces the risk of hitting obstacles or misjudging distances. Techniques like reverse parking are preferred by professionals because they provide better visibility when exiting later. Skilled drivers also understand their car's dimensions, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces. Over time, mastering parking builds confidence and improves overall vehicle control. It's not just about fitting into a space, it's about doing it smoothly, safely, and consistently. Tip number 10. Defensive driving mindset. The most important technique of all is mindset. Studies consistently show that defensive drivers are significantly less likely to be involved in accidents because they anticipate problems before they happen. Instead of assuming other drivers will follow the rules, skilled drivers expect mistakes and prepare for them. This means keeping escape routes open, avoiding aggressive drivers, and staying calm under pressure. Defensive driving also reduces stress because you are not reacting emotionally, you are responding strategically. For example, if a car suddenly cuts you off, a defensive driver has already left enough space to handle the situation safely. This mindset transforms driving from a routine task into a controlled, calculated activity. It is not about being paranoid, it's about being prepared. And that preparation is what truly defines a skilled driver. That's all for this video. Mastering these advanced techniques takes your driving from average to professional level. It's not about doing one thing perfectly. It's about combining all these habits into a smooth, controlled, and intelligent driving style. If you want more real-world driving tips that actually make a difference, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.